Well, this video is for Don. You know who I'm talking about. Apparently, they do tone out for flood warnings. I think this is actually the first time I've actually seen them tone out for a flood warning. Usually it's just a bulletin, not an EAS tone. As you can see, it says flood warning until 0131 p.m. and it just keeps looping until it expires. It's on channel 3, which is WNG 689. It's in Hebron. It's an auto on, so it'll start alarming when it receives a signal. It's based. Up here would be the word ready. Back off a little bit, or put my hand around the antenna. Guess it's not ready. It would say ready. There it goes. When it receives a signal, it's receiving a stable signal that I can decode anything. As you can tell, the other weather radio is also flood warning, red. There's this weather radio, flood warning, ending at 1:30 p.m., red. And then, flood warning, red. So, like I said, it's the first time I've ever seen them tone out for an actual flood warning. But there you go.